Hello everyone, today I will show you Quicksort code in C#, and I will briefly discuss how Quicksort works. So, this is the Quicksort code in C#. Before I discuss how Quicksort works, what is Quicksort? Quicksort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It picks an element as people and partitions the given array around the picked people. The heart of the Quicksort algorithm is the partition procedure. So this is how Quicksort works. Given an array, let's take an element here. This chosen element is called pivot. Then this element will go somewhere, like here, where all elements on this side are less than this element, and on this side are greater than this element. That is how partition works based on our code. For example, now, we'll take this element as our pivot. Then we'll try to put it in its new position, where all elements on its left side are less than it, and all elements on its right side are greater than it. In order to do this, we need to start these two pointers, I and j. The purpose of j is to scan the entire list of array one by one, and whenever j finds an element that is less than the pivot, the element of I and j will be swapped and increment I. Since 6 is not less than 4, we do nothing and move j to the next index. So j found an element which is less than 4. We swap the element of I and j and increment I. Then we'll move to the next index. And again, j found an element which is less than 4. Swap the element of I and j and increment I. We move to the next index. So 5 is not less than 4. We do nothing. Move to the next index. 7 is also not less than 4. We proceed. Once again, j found another element which is less than 4. We swap the element of I and j and increment I. Move to the next index. And now that j scanned all the elements beside pivot, we then swap pivot and element of I. After doing this element is now in its exact position where all elements in this side are less than this element, and all elements on this side are greater than this element. We then apply quicksort on this side and this side. And again, we take the last element on this side and we'll try to put it in its exact position. We put I and J here. So 1 is less than 2. Swap the element of I and J. Increment I. Move to the next index. 3 is not less than 2. Do nothing. Increment J. Now that J scanned all the elements beside pivot, we will then swap the element of I and the pivot. Two is now in its exact position, and now that both sides here have single element, no need to apply quicksort. Let's proceed to the other side. And again, we pick the last element on this side and we put I and J here. 7 is not less than 5. We proceed here. 6 is also not less than 5. Now that J scanned all the elements beside the pivot, we will then swap the element of I and pivot. Five is now in its exact position. Since this side is now sorted, we will proceed here. Once again, we pick the last element and put I and J here. 6 is less than 7. Swap I and J and increment I and J. Now that J scanned all the elements, we will now swap the elements of I and pivot. 7 is now in its exact position. And now that this side is single element, no need to apply the quicksort. And the quicksort is done.